how to turn on the restricted mode on TikTok. So if you want to turn on the restricted mode on TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and then if you go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, then you will have this kind of interface, and you can go to the upper right corner which has the three bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And now if you scroll down here, you will have content preferences. You can simply tap on that option, and here you will have the restricted mode, right? So for now it is turned off. So if you want to turn on your restricted mode, then you can simply tap on that, and then you can tap on turn on, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here to turn that on, you have to set a passcode. So I'll be setting a passcode, and after setting that, now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you have to confirm your passcode again, and then tap on set. So that's it. Now you have turned on your restricted mode. So that's how you turn on your restricted mode on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.